Have you ever wondered about the life of a kangaroo? Today we delve into the world of these fascinating marsupials, starting with their habitat. Kangaroos are truly versatile creatures, making homes across a wide range of environments in Australia. They inhabit the sprawling grasslands, nestle amongst the dense foliage of forests, and even persist in the harsh conditions of the deserts. Each habitat presents its own challenges, but kangaroos have evolved to embrace them all. From lush forests to arid deserts, kangaroos have adapted to thrive in a variety of environments across Australia. Kangaroos are not a one-size-fits-all species. These marsupials come in different sizes and colors. Let's start with the red kangaroo, the largest of them all and the biggest marsupial to boot. This species' deep red coat is quite a sight, especially when it's bounding across Australia's arid interior. Moving east, we encounter the eastern grey kangaroo. Despite its name, its fur can range from grey to brown. It's common across the eastern part of Australia, from the lush forests to the grassy plains. Then there's the western grey kangaroo, primarily found, as you might guess, in the western part of Australia. Its fur is a mix of browns and greys, helping it blend into the landscape. All kangaroos share some key physical features. Their powerful hind legs are built for hopping and jumping, while their strong muscular tails provide balance and support during these leaps. So whether it's the towering red kangaroo or the common eastern grey, each species boasts a unique set of physical features. Not many animals can out-hop a kangaroo. Their unique mode of locomotion is truly a sight to behold. Kangaroos have evolved to become efficient hoppers, using their powerful hind legs and muscular tail to propel themselves forward. This energy-saving method of locomotion allows them to cover vast distances, reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. It's a spectacle of nature's engineering, demonstrating the adaptability of life to different environments. But what fuels these impressive leaps? Well, kangaroos are herbivores, feeding primarily on a diet of grasses and plants. They are grazers, adept at browsing the Australian landscape for their next meal. And while they can survive on tough, low-quality vegetation during harsh conditions, they prefer fresh green shoots and leaves when available. This combination of a plant-based diet and a unique mode of locomotion provides kangaroos with the energy they need to thrive in their native Australian habitats. So, whether they're bounding across the outback or grazing on grass, kangaroos showcase an amazing blend of speed and endurance. Kangaroos have a distinctive approach to family life, from their unique reproductive process to their social structures. Now let's delve deeper into these aspects. Kangaroos are marsupials, a group of mammals characterized by giving birth to undeveloped offspring. These little ones, known as joeys, continue their development outside the womb, but within the safety of their mother's pouch. This pouch, a marvel of nature, serves as a nursery where the joey nurses and grows until it's ready to venture into the world. Moving on to their social structure, kangaroos are not loners. They gather in groups known as mobs or troops. These gatherings are not just for social interaction, but also for protection. In a mob, kangaroos can look out for each other, safeguarding the group from potential threats. It's an interesting mix of community living and survival strategy, isn't it? Whether nurturing joeys in their pouch or forming protective mobs, kangaroos exhibit fascinating social and reproductive behaviors. While kangaroos may be abundant in Australia, they are not without their challenges. Although these marsupials are not considered globally threatened, certain species and populations face local threats. These threats vary by region and species, but typically include habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment, as well as human-wildlife conflict. In some areas, kangaroo populations are decreasing, prompting concern and necessitating conservation strategies. Conservation efforts continue to ensure that kangaroos remain a vital part of Australia's diverse wildlife. From their distinctive hop to their nurturing pouches, kangaroos are a fascinating study in adaptation and survival. These marsupials, native to Australia, inhabit diverse landscapes, from grasslands to forests and even deserts. They come in a variety of species, with the red, eastern grey and western grey kangaroos being the most common. Their physical attributes, such as their powerful hind legs and muscular tails, are perfectly suited for their unique method of locomotion. hopping. This allows them to cover great distances at a remarkable speed. As herbivores, kangaroos primarily graze on grasses and plants. Kangaroos' reproductive process is another marvel, with joeys continuing their development in the safety of their mother's pouch, post a short gestation period. These creatures are social, often forming groups known as mobs for interaction and protection. While not globally threatened, some species and populations do face local challenges. As we continue to learn more about these remarkable marsupials, kangaroos remain a symbol of Australia's rich and diverse wildlife.